After coming in from the pediatrician and Target, River had been sleeping in the car. I put him down when we got in the house because he woke up. He walked around for a second, laid down here. I thought he was joking. He's actually asleep. Listen. Oh, goodness. That is our little boy, sleeping in the middle of the dining room. I'm going to move him now. I had to share that with you because it was too priceless for words. Look how breathing, like he's so sound asleep. Oh, also in the car he fell asleep while chewing food, so when he woke up he continued chewing his piece of food. Oh, our son.